Why the chain rule works. You've memorized the formula. But why does it work? Let's build real intuition. Here's a way to think about it that really makes it click. Imagine a two-stage machine. Your input X goes into the first stage, G, which does something to it. Say, it squares it. Then that output feeds into the second stage, F, which takes the sign A. So the whole machine computes sine of X squared. Now here's the question. If you nudge X by a tiny amount, how much does the final output change? Let's trace a nudge through. When you nudge X by dx, stage G stretches it. G prime of X is 2x, so the nudge gets amplified by 2x. Then that stretched nudge enters F, which stretches it again by cosine of whatever came in. The total change? Multiply the two stretches. That's the chain rule, the product of stretches at each stage. So let's write it out. The derivative of f of g of x equals f prime of g of x times g prime of x. The outer derivative evaluated at the inner function times the inner derivative. Each stage contributes its own stretching factor, and we multiply them together. Find the derivative of sine of x squared, which is outer, which is inner. Outer is sine, inner is x squared, cosine of x squared times 2x. The chain rule is just multiplication of stretches. Outer derivative times inner derivative. That's it.